Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn how to copy and adapt an existing collection. There's so much amazing learning content in the lab already, and you'll likely find collections that you like, but that you might tweak slightly for the particular needs of your students and your classroom, which means you may want to copy and adapt an existing collection. Typical adaptations include removing or adding resources, renaming the collection, or rewriting the descriptive text to change the reading level. When you adapt a collection, it does not change the original first collection. Also, your new collection will link back to that original collection. First, pull up the collection you know you want to adapt. In this case, I'm demonstrating with a collection about cicadas. To adapt it, I'm going to click on the green Copy button at the top right of the screen. Then I'm prompted to retitle the collection. I'm going to call it Cicada Fun. And then click Copy Collection. Now, my new collection is showing on the screen. Click on Edit, the green button on the top right of your screen, to continue working on your collection. You'll know you're in edit mode when you see that green stripe across the top of your work area. Check out the videos below to learn more about editing and adding interactivity and other functionality to your collection. Happy creating!